If you want to host multiple websites on Namecheap Stellar Hosting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple domains, point them to the right name servers, create separate website folders in cPanel, and get each site ready for WordPress or uploaded files. This is a great setup if you want to manage more than one project from a single hosting account. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. First, let's clear up one important detail. Yes, you can host multiple separate websites on Namecheap Stellar Hosting. The standard Stellar plan supports up to 3 websites, while Stellar Plus and Stellar Business support unlimited websites. So before you begin, make sure your hosting plan matches the number of sites you want to add. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Hosting List, find your Stellar hosting account and click Go to cPanel. This will take you into the main control panel where you'll manage your domains, files, and installations. Before adding any extra domain, make sure each additional domain is pointed to Namecheap's hosting name servers. This step is important because your domain needs to know where your hosting lives. The name servers you should use are dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. If your domain is registered somewhere else, log in to that registrar and update the name servers there. If the domain is also on Namecheap, you can update the name servers from your domain management section. Once the name servers are in place, give DNs a little time to start updating. Sometimes it happens quickly, but it can also take a bit longer depending on your domain provider. After that, go back into cPanel. Inside cPanel, look for the Domains section, then click Domains. On this page, you'll be able to add another website to your hosting account. Click Create a new domain. In the domain field, type the second domain you want to host, for example, website2.com. This tells cPanel to create a new site under your account for that domain. Now here's the most important part. Make sure Share Document Root is unchecked. If you leave that checked, the new domain can point to the same folder as another site, which is not what you want when hosting separate websites. Unchecking it creates a separate document root, meaning each website gets its own dedicated folder and its own content. After that, click Submit. cPanel will create the new domain and assign it a unique website folder. That folder is where you'll place the files for that specific site, or where WordPress will be installed if you're building with WordPress. If you want to host a third website, repeat the same process. Go back to Domains, click Create a new domain again. Enter your third domain, keep Share Document Root unchecked, and submit it. You can continue this process for the number of websites supported by your plan. Once the domains are added, the next step is to build each site. If you want to use WordPress, go to Softaculous Apps Installer inside cPanel and install WordPress for each domain separately. During installation, make sure you choose the correct domain and the correct folder so each site stays independent. If you already have a website built, you can upload its files manually using File Manager. Open the folder assigned to that domain, then upload your HTML, PHP, images, or other website files into the correct directory. Again, the key is to make sure each website uses its own document root or folder so the files do not overlap. After your domains and files are in place, you can enable HTTPS. Namecheap's SSL is automatically installed for domains pointed to its shared hosting, so once the domains are connected properly, SSL can usually be activated for each website. This helps keep your website secure and gives visitors the padlock icon in the browser. So the full process is simple. Point the domains to Namecheap's name servers, add each domain in cPanel, uncheck Share Document Root, install WordPress or upload your files, and then confirm SSL and HTTPS are working. That's how you host multiple separate websites on Namecheap Stellar Hosting without mixing up your content. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more easy website setup guides.